Timmy, but it's my video. Hi guys, today we're going to be unboxing a Bluey full-time playset. Includes Bluey, floaties, and more. Relax on the deck. Dive off the diving board and go for a swim. We're going to be unboxing it today. Yep, get this. And it includes these. Yeah. You'll need scissors to open this, so don't cut yourself. Right here, you're supposed to move it. You could have cut your I rocked it. Set aside. See this little hole? Cut it. Or just do this. I'm just... Oh, Sarai, why did we do that? Okay, good. Oh, there's a manual. Board, look. It's a little bouncy. Bluey! And we take this out. It has Bluey, the unicorn floaties, the split gun. Let's set the boxes away. Cut the plastic. Okay, we got our things out. So we got Bluey. You can. This is a squirt gun. See, squirt gun. Unicorn floaty. Unicorn! Like the ones in the episode. We have Bluey in her set. We have Bluey and in her swimming suit. And look, you can do this. Make her sit down too. And we got this donut. It's also squishy. Donut floaty squishy. And we got the squirt gun. Squirt gun. Sit down. And the unicorn floaty, like you see in the show. Squishy too. Wait, what show? Way. The show, you know. What episode? The pool. Oh. No. We can add them in after. Let's keep it in this box for now. Yeah. Keep Bluey in there. We don't want to lose the squirt gun. Yep. Very easy to lose. And finally the deck, I think. The manual told us to put it together like that. This is actually our first time, so we got our things out. Getting a Bluey. We got our things out. This. Some bamboo. Some bamboo. Some bamboo. The deck. And some. She does have her goggles, except goggles and so only you can cut this. The bag. I'm just gonna attach the deck there. Let's attach the deck. While we're waiting on it. No. Oh, wait for that. Can I attach the deck? Can I do the deck? I wanna attach it. Someone, but it's my video. No, can I just do the deck part? I want to attach the deck now. But you already unboxed all the stuff. I was actually supposed to do that. You mean that it's about you? No. Yeah, we're doing your video. So we got our things out. Goggles. 4. You should put down 4. Attach it to the little holes, the bamboo. 1. I'm sure this is Uncle, who's this called again? Uncle, Strawberry. So attach the small one. Bye, Muffin. Bye, Uncle Strawberry. Yeah, friend. Make sure to attach the small end, or else you'll probably break something. Let's try putting the goggles on Bluey. Let's put the roof on. It fits on Bluey. Okay, wow. And attach it to the roof. Oh, hold on. This doesn't really... like okay, this. Hold on. Okay, that's better. These go on the sticks, bamboo sticks. We're also going to be playing with it. This is Bluey. Does she not? Does
Bluey not know that it says literally her name right here on the diving thing?
Give them a fact about Bluey. Did you know that Bluey is the most popular show in Australia? Australia is a continent. This is the shallow end in the pool where Bingo had to stay because she didn't have the floaties. We attached it. Now it's attaching of the thing. Can I put the table on? The deck. Yeah, attachment of the deck. And then, there we go. We have Bluey. You'll need water to fill the pool. Add it very carefully. Add it very carefully so you don't splash like you are right now at the bottom of the cup. Okay, we need more water than this. Okay. Mommy! Ow! Mommy! There's barely any water inside, bro. Okay, guys, I'm just getting more water because it's not enough. Yep, it's not enough. I can't do this. I just want to play with it. Don't fill it too much like I did. Yep. Don't add things in yet. Take it out. Hold on. Take it on the napkin. Okay, just a couple more water. Okay, I can do it then. Okay, so we got a bigger cup. But we don't need a towel. Put some water in the shower. I'll give you some. That is a lick. She's going to be riding in that one. Look at it. Oh no, it's spilling. Okay, Bluey will be diving off the diving board. Into her floaty. Whee! And splash. Thankfully she had her goggles. I got stuck on the donut. She has a big donut head. Wow. No. Did you know that Bluey's 6-year-old and she's a healer dog? Sarai. So that we could do the thing and then yay, we're at the pool! Yay! I forgot to put my pants on. No, I forgot to put my goggles on. My eyes are stinging. I'm gonna go put my goggles. And the pool's overflowing. Yeah, we have a napkin, Sarai. Oh no. Oh my. Please get another napkin. Wow. I really wish I had some pants. I really wish I had some pants right now. Maybe I have blue pants on. I'm going to dive in the pool. Hopefully nothing hurts me. Whoosh. Donut. Splash. I'm going to dive in the pool again. I'll try again. And whoa. Whoa. Sorry. Okay, I'll try. Okay, I'm going to dive in the pool again. Hopefully nothing hurts me again. Whoosh. Ow. That hurt me. Can you lift up this thing so I can add it? Let's probably this napkin is soaked. Oh no! soaked. Yeah, I'll leave them. My goggles, they're soaked.
Why does this keep...
Oh no, my
The
goggles.
table's in the water. Wow!
Everything's in the water. I need to get my goggles on before it gets too late. Hold on. Wow, wow. Okay, oh no.